So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from various companies such as Amgen and crisil and other important hiring that is for the freshers, as well as if you are 2025 pass out, then you can also apply for some wonderful opportunity. So coming to first important opportunity, that is from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of associate retail process and job location will be Bangalore. So preferred qualification is just bachelor degree and you should be working in means you should be flexible to work in various shifts, and if you are from any background, you can apply. Next important opportunity from the crisil, they are hiring for the role of generative or GenAI intern, and this is a wonderful opportunity, and everyone should apply for this opportunity. Okay, so you will basically work on LLM models and GPT. So if you are interested in Python programming and GenAI and LLM basic knowledge, then you can apply. There is just single position, so there will be strong competition for this. Next important opportunity, that is from the Amgen. They are hiring for the role of associate data engineer, and this is also freshers position. So this video roles and responsibility, you can just go through it. You will work on various technologies such as Jira, Agile, DevOps. So if you are interested in all those, and if you have some experience in data engineering in AWS, Python, or then only you can apply, and this will basically give age. This is all just experienced candidates, so you can ignore if you are freshers. Next important opportunity for 2025-2026 pass out batch, and the company name is newtglobal.com. They are looking for graduate engineer training, and minimum you should have 70%, or you should have not any backlog, and freshers are equal. You should have quick learner with high aptitude and excellent communication skill. That's requirements. So if you are interested, just share your resume to this mail ID. Next important opportunity, they are hiring freshers for the role of associate analyst e-commerce support. So if you are interested in support role, then you can just apply with this. Okay, I will provide all the job link in the description, so you can directly apply for this. Friend, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. We'll provide you dedicated guidance which will help you to clear the interview. Okay, so we have already provided lots of selection in TCS, Wipro and Cognizant. So if you are interested, then you can fill the form. Next important opportunity for the role of network engineer. Okay, and they are looking for they are looking for software developer intern 2026 pass out batch. So you will join as a intern, and there is a strong chance of conversion to PPO. So if you are interested, just share your resume to them, or you can drop resume here. Okay, next important opportunity which we have already provided, that the Lennox. Okay, coming to next, and this is also very important opportunity. They are hiring again for the role of SD1 full stack. So if you are interested in full stack, then just comment or DM your resume plus GitHub or portfolio. Okay, so I have already said that freshers, you should build a good portfolio, then that will also increase chances, and that will basically show your talent. So you can make portfolio and you can just apply for that. Next important hiring, that is for the role of software intern, and duration will be 6 months with a pre-placement of year. Means there is strong chance of getting PPO from this, and immediate joiner are required. Job location in Noida. So these will your responsibilities: software development and design thinking, problem solving, technical documentations, and you should have bachelor's or master degree in CS related field. And you should have good knowledge of Java, especially. Java is a very important, and if you know any notes of Java or any tech stack, then you can just join our WhatsApp Telegram group, where we are sending free notes in there, and you can avail the benefit by just joining it. Next important opportunity, that is for the role of data analyst. So if you have knowledge in Pivot or Excel and Power BI, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can just share your resume to this. Friends, we regularly post lots of important job updates in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe us. And again, saying friends, keep applying for off-campus drive. And students are also getting reward. Okay, ICICI Bank Aspire program still going on. So if you haven't applied, you can apply, and you will get direct test. Okay, and there's strong chance. So we already posted a lots of video related to NQT Coding Series and all those stuff, so you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask. I will feel very happy to help you.